Let's make a super pretty and simple luminary for spring. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. So I got these blue jars at, I think, Tractor Supply. And I have these, now I'm going to be using these styrofoam little bunnies, but you could use those little green ones and you wouldn't have to do this step. So I paint the bunny with some chalk paint, and then I'm just distressing it with some wax and wiping it off. And then I also use a little bit of ink as well. I like the distress vibe. If you don't, then just paint it normal, like fully. Look at how pretty that is though. Cute. I do glue the liner to the ring just because I wanted it stable, and then I glue the little bunny to the top of that. Then after that, I glue some Spanish moss to the top of our lid, and already I am digging it. Already I like it a lot. I trim off the Spanish moss just so it's not so straggly, and there we go. Ta-da! This is such a simple project. You're going to love it. I hope you love it. I love it so much. All right, and that's what it looks like on the jar. I just love this jar. All right, so now I have some fairy lights. I got mine on Amazon. I take mine, unwrap it, and now what I'm going to do is put some of the fairy lights in, and then I've got these little Dollar Tree carrots, and I'm going to put some of those in. I think I used 2 packages. I might have only used 1. I can't remember. So I put the carrots in, then I put a little bit more fairy lights. Then the carrots go in, then a few more fairy lights. Just because the fairy lights are fairly long, but I wanted them evenly distributed somewhat. And I wanted it to look like the carrots really had light all around them. So that's how I did it. I just kept alternating fairy lights and carrots. You don't have to put carrots in. You could put jelly beans in. That would be fun. Or you could put little eggs. But I just thought with the bunny, it looked so pretty with the fairy lights and the carrots. So that's how I did it. You don't have to do it like that at all. But look at how pretty it already. Ah! So pretty. All right, so I wanted to be able to adhere the fairy lights to the lid, but be able to take it off if they needed new batteries. So I just put some adhesive backed, what is it called? Velcro. And see, now you can pop it on and off. Ta-da! Easy peasy. Awesome. All right, so I did that, and then I thought, you know what, I needed just a little bit more zhuzhing. So I took some raffia and some pretty ribbon. I got it, Joann's, and I'm just tying it. I'm not even doing a bow. I mean, seriously, friends, not even doing a bow. Nothing fancy here. Just tie it. I tied it in a knot. Easy. I mean, raffia, I'm telling you right now, if you like raffia, this stuff, I love it because it's super forgiving. You could just tie it in a knot and then scrunch it, and it's perfect. Love it. Look at how cute this is. I love it so much. I am into luminaries. I like lighting stuff up and putting it on our counter or mantle. Look at how pretty that is. Stop. Oh, I love it. And that's what it looks like just on the counter. And then this is with the lights on at night, and quit it. Like, how pretty is that? Whew, I love it so much. Anyways, and maybe this isn't your thing, but maybe it'll prompt an idea for you. Either way, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.